Mini PCs, also known as small form factor PCs, have been gaining popularity in recent years due to their compact size and powerful capabilities. These compact devices are designed to take up minimal space and can be easily placed on a desk, bookshelf, or even mounted behind a monitor. With that in mind, Acemagician has come up with a mini gaming PC that's compact and packs a reasonable amount of power for gaming as well as other demanding tasks. In this video, we'll be unboxing, testing, and reviewing it to see whether it lives up to its potential. Inside the box, we have a user manual, a power adapter and cable, along with an HDMI cable, VESA mounting hardware, and a SATA port. With these out of the way, let's just focus on the Mini PC itself. In terms of its overall design, the Mini Gaming PC is sleek and modern with a gunmetal gray accent that gives it a premium look. The device is filled with ports, making it easy to connect to a handful of gaming accessories, and on the front, we can see two USB 3.0, one USB Type-C, an audio jack, and a microphone hole. At the back, there are two USB 2.0 ports along with one HDMI, one DisplayPort, two RJ45 LAN, and a USB-C DC port to power the device up. The power button is located at the front, which has this unique triangular shape that lights up while turning the gaming PC on. The mounting hardware that we talked about earlier allowed us to seamlessly mount the Mini PC behind our monitor, which further saved up space and made the desk clean and clutter-free. Under the hood, this Mini Gaming PC is packing one hell of a punch. It's powered by a Ryzen 5 5600U processor with a base clock speed of 2.3 GHz and a boosted frequency of up to 4.2 GHz. It also comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage, which sounds like a good deal to light or moderate gaming. Apart from that, this device also happens to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection that's ideal for pairing up devices wirelessly, such as gaming mice and keyboard. Let's just unscrew the bottom part and take an even deeper look at the internal components. As you can see, the SSD and RAM modules are not soldered, which simply means you can just take these out and stick in even more capacity to increase the PC's overall gaming potential. Surprisingly, it came preloaded with Windows 11, so we were able to get access to the latest Windows features as well as future updates. After spending a week with the Acemagician Mini Gaming PC, we gotta say we were really impressed. The processor and memory combo was decent, as we were satisfied with the overall gaming experience. On Cinebench R23, the PC was able to hit a score of 6460 points in multi-core and 1297 points in single-core performance, which is pretty impressive, given how the tiny PC actually is. It delivered above 60 frames per second in popular competitive titles such as CSGO, Valorant, and Fortnite, while open-world games such as GTA 5 and Genshin Impact were quite responsive as well, in high to medium settings. We also did some photo and video editing on this one, which went well in comparison to our regular editing rig. What we really like the most is the HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C ports video pass-through that offers up to 60Hz of refresh rate at 4K resolution. Doing all that, the PC maintained the temp efficiently and the noise level was barely audible too. Here, listen for yourself. The two RJ45 LAN ports that we mentioned earlier were pretty fast as well, given how they reached the peak speed of our local broadband in the network speed test. Same goes for the Type-C and USB 3.0 ports, as we did not have any room to complain about the data transfer speed while transferring files to and from an external SSD. Everything considered, we were pretty amazed by how a device of this size could pump out this much performance. It's even upgradable, which allows you to swap the SSD or RAM to increase its potential even more. Why bother spending on a full-size computer where you can fulfill your gaming needs and much more in a super compact form factor, makes you think. So, that was all about the Acemagician Mini Gaming PC review. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.